Hello everyone, I am Vikramaditya and welcome to Jades of Tech. What if one skill could unlock job opportunities for you in more than 190 countries? Yes, you heard it right. And that's the power of SAP. Now let's look into what exactly is SAP and what are the opportunities that we have in SAP and how can we grow in SAP. This is what we're going to discuss now. Now, SAP technology is the most powerful and the ultimate career choice. Now, what exactly is SAP? SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products. It's an organization which basically provides ERP solutions to organizations. And what exactly is ERP? Enterprise resource planning is one particular tool on which all the departments of an organization and all the modules of an organization work in a single system. That's an ERP system, whether it might be finance, manufacturing, production planning, quality and management, human resources, and 40 other departments can work on single software. And if anyone is able to manufacture such a software, that is referred to as ERP software. ERP is a generic term, just like car is a generic term. SAP ERP is also a generic term. And now SAP has got most of the enterprise solutions which are being provided based on the challenges that the organizations face. Now, what are the enterprises? Huge business organizations like uh, BMW or DMW Chrysler or IBM. So this huge big companies, what exactly the challenges they are facing is being solved by SAP. So that it is an integrated software. It replaces the disconnected systems into a single system, and it has got a real-time data. Now the moment one department enters the data, other departments can also check the data. That's the advantage of SAP software. We have got a lot of new versions of SAP which are to be updated by already people who are working on SAP and those who are entering into the SAP world. Now, why getting into SAP jobs is safe and secure? See, the critical system, the SAP is a business critical software. Companies don't easily change it, making SAP skills deeply embedded and vital for operations. Now, let's say a huge organization like Nestle has already implemented SAP, and more than 120 countries operations had been run on a single software. It's something which is a very complicated software and it's not going to change in a day. And now we have a lot of other reasons we need to understand why SAP jobs are going to grow and your demand is going to grow and you're becoming your job also becomes more stable. So we have got a lifelong career path, offers a long term stable career with clear progression from entry level to advanced roles and opportunity to diversify. It has got a resilience to the market churn. So no matter how many new technologies are coming, and now you all know about the AI wave that is going on, so that actually does not impact huge way in SAP. We are using AI, but it is like an add-on for people who are already existing. So there's uh, no jobs that will be reduced because of AI. So how big is the SAP job market? The job market in for SAP is like a 40% growth every year. There will be like at any given point of time there are openings for at least a million people across the globe. Now, this is a huge demand in a market for SAP jobs, and if at all, if you come into a specific country, also I can give you the statistics in a later point of time. So we've got extensive job roles, over 1,500 distinct specialized job roles are in the industry right now. Now, global opportunities, we've got skills are globally transferable. Your career is a global passport. So you get an experience in SAP in one particular country, you can move to any other country and work in SAP. So we've got top SAP career paths. You can become an SAP consultant. You can become a in SAP consultant. You can become a functional consultant, technical consultant. You can become an SAP analyst, SAP developer, project manager, or administrator, or a data analytics or data scientist. So we have a lot of opportunities that we have within SAP. Now, do not miss our free masterclass which we are going to conduct this week, and this would be your passport to your next career growth. So we have got a this SAP is a lifelong skill. We, a lot of our students are already earning six figure salaries. We got global innovation. Our students are working in 28 plus countries, and we have got a secured future with very less attrition. Now, SAP technology, the powerful platform, the ultimate career, one system, endless opportunities, and global impact. As I was telling you, SAP is a global leader in ERP technologies. It's number one in the world. 77% of the global transaction revenues touches the SAP systems, and it is adopted by more than 4 lakh customers. And who are these 4 lakh customers? They're not normal people or small businesses. These 4 lakh companies are the topmost companies in the world. For example, I was talking about Nestle or DMW Chrysler or Cadbury or Nike, Reebok, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, HSBC, American Express Bank. So huge companies in the organization in the world are already clients of SAP, and it has got cloud and AI innovation, ultimate integration, and there is an explosive job market and job opportunities that are there in the upcoming days. There are a lot of new advanced features which SAP has provided. Looking at the challenges that the clients has provided. Now, at the same time, we as a consultant also have to upgrade ourselves to those latest innovations that SAP has provided, so that can be delivered to the customers. If this is not happening, we will lose our demand. Even if you're working in SAP and you think that you're safe, you have to upgrade. And the upgradations that I'm talking about are extremely easy if you're already working on SAP. If you are entering into SAP field for the first time, you need to spend some time, you need to work hard, focus to get the job. But those who are already working in SAP, I strongly recommend you to upgrade yourself with a very small add-ons which will actually make you more on demand in the market. So we've got top SAP careers is what we were talking about, and this is a SAP ecosystem wherein we have all the different modules working on SAP. So here we've got a high demand, like I was telling you about. There are around 7.5 million SAP professionals. That comes up to somewhere around close to um, um, it will be like 75 lakh people who are already working on SAP. It has got strong growth every year. 28% of growth is what we see. We have 180 to 190 plus countries. We have job opportunities, attractive salaries like 20 to 40% of higher salary than any other IT roles. We got job roles in demand like 1,000 plus job roles across industries. Now, in these, like, we have got lot of exciting features in SAP, and as I was telling you, AI is anyways integrated into it, and it's going to be used in our systems. So now the question is, what can you learn in SAP? Now, each one of you have a different educational background and different interest. So I'm taking a few examples here. It might not fit exactly your qualification. You can contact us and you can discuss with us what exactly is your qualification, and we will let you know what module will suit you. And if at all, if you're already working on SAP, you can just mention us about what exactly you are doing, what is your job role, and we would suggest you what best is the update that you have to go ahead, and will provide you the contents with it, and we'll also provide you a free masterclass for that. Now, I'm just taking an example of, let's say you are coming from BCom, MCom background, and if you have the finance as a specialization, we would recommend SAP FI, the financial accounting. We have controlling. We have got SAP FICO. FICO is a combination of finance and controlling. because if you're coming from the BBA background or MBA background, we would suggest you to go for the logistics part like MMSD or PP. If you're coming from BTech background or a technical background, or Bachelor of Technology or Bachelor of Engineering or Masters. So for these educational streams, we recommend to go with SAP ABAP, SAP Basis, SAP HANA, and we've got latest features like we have got SAP UI5. Uh, those are the technical modules that we have, and we have a very good on-demand skill which is called SAP CPI, Cloud Platform Integration as well. Now if you're coming from the BSc MSc background, we have got SAP BW for HANA, SAP Business Objects, and Master Data Governance. Even and any graduation, if you are coming from any graduation, we would recommend you to go with a very generic kind of a modules. We have HR, PM, and EWM, Extended Payroll Management. Additional to this, we have a lot of easy to learn zero coding modules which can be learned in very less time and also get a very good career, because the latest innovative modules that SAP has introduced will always have a demand. They are less complex and less number of people, so obviously there will be less competition and you can learn them and get into a job. Now, what all we provide when you join the course? This is something which I'm going to also discuss in the masterclass which we have. The masterclass that we conduct is specific to a module. So once we understand your educational background or your experience, whether you are a Java developer or Python developer or any full stack developer also, for a good salary hike and for stable career, most of them tend to move to SAP. And in that case, when you contact us, we are going to tell you which module you have to select and then how do we take it forward from there. Now, once you join the classes, we're going to have a live classes. We're going to conduct live classes. This would be exactly according to a particular curriculum which has been near to what SAP suggests us. And then we've got a server to practice. You're going to provide a service where we can actually practice. Then you have got the material. We'll provide you the material wherein you can actually read that and upgrade yourself. We've got live classes recordings, so you can go through the live classes recording which have been discussed, and just in case if you have missed something, you can update that with your live in the recordings. And now we're going to provide you real-time projects, because most of our trainers including me are having 20 plus years of experience in SAP, so that would add up, and we're going to share you the real-time projects which can be done, which will give you a confidence of how a live work will be happening and exactly how you're going to work in the projects. We're going to help you in resume preparation and what exactly the resume should be and what skill set have to be added. We're going to also conduct mock interviews to you so that you can become comfortable with speaking about the technology and sharing that knowledge with the others. And we also, as a part of mock interviews, we also encourage the participants or the students to talk to each other, explain the technology to other participants, and that's how we grow our knowledge. Then coming to the interview skills, we're going to tell you what exactly is the way you have to speak, the tone, the soft skills. It comes in the soft skills where we are going to tell you how exactly you have to present yourself, how do you talk, what you should talk, in what way you should talk, how do you start the conversation. Let's say you have tell me something about yourself, which is a very common and a mandatory question when you go to the interview. We're going to tell you how you're going to answer that. It's very important to understand that skill. It's that few seconds of how do you start your conversation actually creates an impact on the interviewer. And we're going to focus a lot on the interview skills. I'm just giving you some examples here, and then we have got the tips and tricks, like how do you actually get into a job, how do you get the calls, how do you get a job, how do you crack the interview, how do you get a job, and then how do you sustain in the job. So these all we are going to discuss in the tips and tricks. And then motivational sessions. So no matter how big you are, how strong you are, any human needs a motivation from external sources at some point of time. So that's very important, and we're going to focus on that one as well, and make sure that you get motivated and reach great heights in your career, just like thousands of past students in the past 18 years. Okay, so thanks for listening till the end. And if you are listening till here, I'm sure you are very much interested to get into SAP. Do not delay. Just click on the link that we have in the description of this video, where we are going to mention, we're going to give you the form. The moment you click on the link, a form opens, you give your details. We're going to schedule a one-to-one session with you, understand your background, and then suggest you a module. After that, we're going to conduct a free masterclass specific to your module, and then after that you can take a call with to join online or classroom sessions, offline sessions are becoming more popular right now. You can also inquire about that one as well. And if we do not have an office in the place you have, we would go with the online sessions here. Okay, and please do try to get into SAP, and share this video with every one of your contacts, so that it can help someone in your contacts. Thank you and have a great day. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so.